It's so difficult to believe that 2025 is behind us and we're now in 2026. And I did have some time towards the end of the year to take a step back and reflect on what 2025 meant here at Dubo Law, both personally and professionally to me. It was by far the biggest and best year we've had as a law firm. We experienced our highest rate of growth both in terms of new cases, but also in terms of staff growth and hiring more people. Um, and it put us in a position to be able to help more people achieve better outcomes in cases. And at the end of the day, one of the things that has always been a driver for me personally, and that I try to instill as a core value here at Dubo Law, is because we believe that we do a really good job in handling cases, we want to make sure that we're able to do that job for as many people as possible. It is a credit to my employees and team here, and it is also a credit to our strategic partners and to our clients and supporters that we've been able to experience that growth because it is a reflection of the trust and confidence you all have in us. At the end of the day, more people used Dubo Law for their personal injury needs because they had trust and confidence in our ability to do a good job. And that is very validating and rewarding for us as a firm and also for me personally. And the hope and expectation is that growth is going to continue in 2026 because as we continue to grow, one of the things that we will not sacrifice or compromise at all are the standards we believe has allowed us to be able to grow. And that is every single individual case that we handle is handled with the care and attention it requires. It is handled as the unique case that it is, and we attempt to affect the best possible outcome for that case. And we do that with every case that we have. And so, one of the reasons why the growth we've had is important is we want to make sure we have the team to be able to handle every case in a way that is fair to all of our clients. I am extremely excited about 2026. And as we continue to move forward, I'm incredibly appreciative and grateful for every single one of you, without whom none of this would have been possible. And I look forward to continued growth. And stay tuned because in a future newsletter, not too long from now, you'll be getting notice about an open house that we're going to be having here at Dubo Law, which is going to be a thank you to all of you. Open invitation to come see the office, meet the team, eat, drink on us, and have a great time because, again, we would not be here without all of you. Thank you.